Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. In today's look I actually didn't know how this look was going to turn out. I was going in with one thing in mind, then it kind of shifted somewhere else. Anyways, I really do enjoy the way this final look came out. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I got it, then obviously just keep on watching. Alright, I have you a little further out today. I don't know if my tutorials have been too far zoomed in or too close. I'm not really sure. Sometimes when I'm editing them back, I feel like I'm too close. So I just thought I would film this one a little further away. Anyways, I have already put on a light coat of my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I wanted this look, I'm filming this look halfway through the day, and I just wanted something to put on my face before I go out to the grocery store, just to feel put together. So I put that on, and I also set it with my my Hourglass powder. I used the one from my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, and I used two finishing powder. So I used the diffuse light, this one here that I've hit pan on. I find it just gives it less of a powdery look and more of a natural finish. So next I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in the shade Intense Moonlight, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Now I already have mascara on because I did already go for a walk and I wanted something on my eyes. So that's why mascara, my lashes look a little more noticeable than usual. Okay, so that is super easy to work with. I'm going to take my other color, which is Metallic Taupe, and I'm going to take this, it's a lighter more golden color, and I'm going to take this on the inner corner right here, just to give it a little bit of dimension, and I'm going to blend that out just a bit. This is a super easy look. I didn't want to do anything super complicated today. And then I'm going to take, to blend into the crease, I'm taking my Natasha Denona Green Brown palette, if I can maneuver this thing, and I'm taking the shade Shell, which is this one right here. It's a neutral color, and I'm taking that on my MAC crease brush as per usual, and I'm just going to buff that into the crease. I always feel like whenever I do like more natural looks, I feel like I suck at them. That's why I don't do too many of them. But I thought maybe today I would just film one because that's what I want to do, and I want to film a look today. So I'm just taking that in the crease and just really building it up, just to give my eye some definition. And then I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Era. It's like literally almost out. I need to get a new one. I went to get one last month and they didn't have any, so I didn't make it back to MAC since. I went to the mall the other day last week and MAC had shut down their doors, so I'm out of luck for the near future. Okay, so for the outer corner, just to give it a little bit of dimension, I'm taking my super small dome brush, and I'm going in with the shade Arizona from the Natasha Denona palette. It's this one right here. It's just a nice neutral brown color. I'm just applying that just on the outer edge, just to give my eyeball some definition. And then I'm going to go back in with my Intense Moonlight on my finger, just a little bit here. And I'm just going to take that and dab it over top to blend. And bam, that's pretty much all I did for the other eye. Really easy. Maybe I'll just add a little bit more of that brown. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner, and for that I'm going to use my Kat Von D Mad Max Brown. And I'm just going to place that just on the outer edge. Am I recording? Yes, I am. On the outer edge, and I'm just going to bring it in to the inner corner. Nothing crazy. I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a wing, because I find that flattering for my eye shape. Okay, I have already tight lined, which is watering for those of you who don't know, which is applying eyeliner. Is that tightlining the technical correct term? I'm not sure. But anyways, I applied my eyeliner to my waterline, upper waterline already. What is next? I'm going to do my foundation, and for today I'm just using my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer here. I will apply that, and I will come back and finish off the rest of the look with you guys. Okay, so for foundation I did add a little bit of my Wet n Wild to certain areas because I just came back from a walk earlier and my face was a little bit red from the wind, so I applied to the inner corner here and on my chin. I believe my face looks somewhat normal now. For bronzer, I used my Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. What else did I use? For powder, I used this little tiny itty bitty sample. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. So small. Anyways, I used this Cover FX Translucent Light Powder for my face powder, and then to block out the pores on the sides of my nose, I used my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. What else did I leave out? Nothing. For the cheeks, I decided to go for more of like a dewy, bronzy look because I'm going to add a red lip, like an orangey red lip. I really wanted to do a coral lip with this look, but I realized I do not have a coral lipstick. And I can't go to Sephora right now to buy one because Sephora is closed, so I'm going to have to use the only one I have, which is my Smashbox in the shade Bang Bang. So I decided to just have some fun with today's look and do some bronzy makeup because it's spring now and why not? So I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Powder, and I'm using my bronzer in here. This one here, it's, what shade is it? Oh, other side. Nope. I don't know. Filtered Bronze Light. Wow, that took longer than it needed to, but. So I'm going to add some to the cheekbones and blend it down to the apples because I want to give a lift while I'm doing it. And if I seem a little bit off on the camera or the viewfinder, it's because I had to erase some footage of previous videos because I only had 4 minutes left to film and this is going to take longer than 4 minutes. So I had to adjust my camera. Anyways. Alright, that's looking bronze. Brings them down my neck. What is next? For blush, I'm going to use a combination of things. I'm going to start with, because my face is a little bit dry today, I'm going to use a lipstick. And I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in the shade Sweet and Sour. It's a corally color. And as per usual, I'm just going to put some of that on my hand. And then if that doesn't give me the coral color that I want, 1 second. There you go. And if that doesn't give me the coral color that I want, then I'm going to use my Benefit Coralista that I have in my makeup to use pile. Because I just wanted, I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just experimenting. Today's a day for experimenting with my makeup. Sometimes when you're not really going many places, that's the perfect day to do it because if you screw up and if you look silly, no one's going to see it. Like I said, I'm just going to the grocery store later, maybe the LCBO, the liquor store, get me some sparkling wine. But other than that, this girl's staying home. Okay, that looks nice. I like that look. Do we need to add? Let's add the highlight and see where it goes from there. I'm going to use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Stick. Nope. Is that what this is called? Vanish. I never know what this is called. Just this stick here from Hourglass. The one I always use. I'm just putting some on my little sponge here. And I'm going to apply it with a damp sponge to the tops of my cheekbones. I find this gives my highlight something to really stick to and give me that wet look that I love. This by itself is nice too. I used it the other day when I didn't put much makeup on. I don't remember what I was doing. And then for highlight, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Sandcastle. And I'm going to tap that off and just tap. I almost don't want to ruin this, but that's fine. Sebastian's sleeping on my knee again. Okay, I'm just going to lightly buff that in. I really want to go for a glowy look. Oof. That's some glow. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that Corlisa blush after all. I'm just going to lightly tap it on the cheekbones here. Cheekbones. This part. It's not the cheekbones. Shh. Smells so good. Okay, for inner corner highlight, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Gold Mine. Sebastian, really? Come on now, don't start. I'll take that right on the inner corners. Listen, stop that. Oh, I forgot to add the inner corner shimmer that I always add. Let's do that next. Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby on the inner corners here. Just to blend and brighten. Just a smidge. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish. I'm going to put the lip on and then come back and finish. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to put the lip on and then come back and finish the rest of the look and do the lower lashes. I'm not really too sure what I want to put on that yet, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I applied my lip. Here it is. Again, it's the Smashbox lipstick in Bang Bang. It's the only orangey ready color that I had. Excuse me. And then I applied mascara. I used my Pretty Vulgar as a base, and then I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational over top. And then, did I do anything else? Oh yes, I did start doing my under lashes because I forgot I was filming because my head is not in the game today. For a lower lash line base, I used the MAC Power Surge pencil. And then I took the color Suede, which is this color right here. Just a really nice neutral light brown color. I took that over top of it, but I didn't bring it all the way in to the inner corners because again I find that is not flattering to me. So I just basically kept it on the outer edge here. And then for the inner corner, I want to use something to like brighten up. So I think I'm going to use, what am I going to use? Maybe I'll use the metallic taupe from, is this the one I want to use? Yeah. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the inner corners here, and then just blend it out with my finger a little bit, just to tie everything together. And then I will apply lower lash mascara. And then, oh, I also sprayed my face with my MAC Fix Plus. I always use a lower lash primer first, the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I'm going to try and do this on camera, if I can. Don't eat it. Crazy bird. Okay. And then over top I'm using my L'Oreal L'Oreal Clump Crusher Mascara. See if I can do this while remaining in the frame. Okay, next eye. Crazy how much mascara makes a difference, eh? Okay. And that completes today's makeup look. I didn't think this look was going to turn out very good, but apparently I really like the way it turned out. Kind of like a bronzy, glowy, I was going to say spring look, but maybe this has more summer vibes to it. Not sure. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this impromptu, random, I don't know what I'm trying to say right now. This guy's driving me nuts. Okay, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this look, and you'll see me in the next video. Bye.